Welcome to today's lesson. In this lesson, we will learn how to get started with Vexcode VR, an exciting coding platform where you can code to control the Vexcode VR robot to complete various fun challenges. This is an essential exercise that will help you understand how to build a block project in Vexcode VR and run it on a selected Vexcode VR playground. Let's start by launching Vexcode VR. Launch Vexcode VR from your browser. To create a new project, go to the File menu and select New Blocks Project. From the Playground selection, select the icon of your desired playground. The project begins with a When Started block. We use blocks to build projects that control the Vexcode VR robot. The code blocks are sorted into various categories based on their functionality. Blocks within the same category share the same color. If you don't see the switch category, please ask your instructor about a class code. The available block categories might also be slightly different depending on the selected playground. The toolbox lists every code block available to use with the VR robot. To add a block to your project, drag the selected block from the toolbox and attach it under the When Started block. The blocks can be stacked together to build a project. You can also rearrange blocks by dragging them out of a stack and inserting them in a different spot in your project. If you want to delete a block from your project, separate the block from your project and drag it back to the toolbox area. You can also right-click on the block and select the Delete Blocks option. If you would like to move a block from your project for later use, remove it from the stack and move it out to the side. Remember that only blocks connected to the When Started block will be executed by the Vexcode VR robot. Once you are ready to try your project, click the Start button to launch the playground window. The project will automatically run once the playground loads. Congratulations! You have learned how to build and run a blocks project in Vexcode VR. Try playing around with different blocks and playgrounds to see what will happen. Have you ever wondered how to obtain helpful information in Vexcode VR when you want to know about using blocks? Be sure to stay tuned for our next lesson, where we will learn how to access various tools that assist you in developing projects in Vexcode VR.